Learn about binomial series. As we know that binomial series is the mathematical expression which contains of several numbers. The pattern of the number was followed by unique equation. We know that binomial number was consists with maximum with 2 digits of number. So that's why today we will discuss about binomial series. It means that the series was construct with combination of 2 numbers respectively between each other. For example, P plus Q inside the parenthesis, it means that this is P and Q. P is one number expressed in mathematics. Also Q is also the others number expressed in mathematics. So in binomial series, so the series will be a combination from 2 numbers, and maximum we will get from 2 numbers. The other example is a plus x inside the parenthesis and powered by square. This means that a and x is binomial number. The other example is 2x plus y inside the parenthesis powered by 3. It means that x and y is also the example of binomial expression. And the other example from integer value. Then from binomial numbering, Pascal has some method, some theory. He expressed the theory and we call it as Pascal-Tramiel methods. It means that all the new combination of the value was converted from binomial number. For example, we can see from the picture a plus x inside the parenthesis powered by 0. It means that no matter what value inside the parenthesis, because the power is by 0, so the result will be only 1. A plus x powered by 0, so no matter what the number inside, the result will be 1. And x plus a plus x powered by 1, it means that equal to a plus x. So this is the new combination, a plus x. And a plus x squared, we will get a squared plus 2ax plus x squared. We can see that 0, 1, 2, 3 until so on. It means that this is the series. And the series start from 0 until unlimited. So Pascal expressed the equation using the power of the series from 0 until infinite. So we will get the simple equation. For example, a plus x powered by 4 is equal with a plus x powered by 3, so similar with this, and multiply by a plus x. And we can see also, this is 1, a plus x, a square, x square, and 2 was get from 1 plus 1, that means 2. And 3 was get from 1 plus 2, and this is 3. And also this one, 2 plus 1, we will get 3. 4 also get from the previous upper side. 4 means get from 1 plus 3. And 6 get from 3 plus 3. And so on. For example, in this one, 15 was get from 5 plus 10. So we will get 15 a for x square. So if you confused how to express the binomial power series, you can use the Pascal triangles method. And we can see that all of the series was repeated. A plus x, and this is a plus x squared, because that's similar with this one. And with power by 4, a plus x power by 3, so similar with this one. So it is also similar with the corresponding the right side. So we will easy to get any number of power series. And in a Pascal triangle method, there is some slightly different with the mathematical rule. For example, if a square plus by a power by 3, we cannot combine, become one expression. For example, become a, so this is not similar. But in triangle, Pascal triangle method, for example, 3a squared and x, 3 was collect from this is 1 and this is 2, and so the result is 3. And a squared was not collect from a squared plus a. We just take the biggest power. For example, this is a power 3 and this is a power 2. So we take the biggest. It means that for a power 3 and x only 1, so you can write put the x. And for example, this one, 6 is get from 3 plus 3, and we can see that this is a squared, this is only a, so we take the biggest, so this is the a squared, and we can see that this is x and x squared, so only take the biggest one, so this is the result, 6a squared and x squared. And this one, 4 get from 3 plus 1, and you can see a the other is no, so we just take the biggest one, a. And this is x squared, and this is x power by 3, so we take the biggest one, so it means that x power by 3. Yeah. So this is slightly different with the mathematics expression. So Pascal triangle methods not follow this mathematic basic rule. Yeah. They just take the biggest power for the binomial value. Okay, do you have any question? Did you get it? Okay, we continue. For example, a plus x power by 0. So we don't have to worry about this one because the result will be 1. And this one, 1, 2, because get from this. And this is 3 because get from 1 plus 2. It means that the triangle, because the Pascal said that this is the Pascal triangle method, which, where is the triangle? The triangle was this one. Get from 4, it means get from the circle of triangle from 1 plus 3. 6 also get from the circle of triangle, get from 3 plus 3. So this is the basic value. So if we compare with this one, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 2, 1. This is the basic 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. So this will be similar. So if we see that the maximum power is 6, maximum power is 6, with the same way, you can also continue until the next power series. For example, for 7. So it means that if how to express the binomial power series with 7, you can see for 6 it means that 1, 6, 15, 20, 15, 6, and 1. So we can expand for the 6, 1 plus 6, 7, 6 and 15, 21, 15 and 20, 21, and so on. For 7. So we will get 1, 7, 21, 31, 35, 35, 21, 7, and 1. Okay. So this is the basic binomial series. We go to the example problem 2. Determine using Pascal triangle method the example of 2p minus 3q powered by 5. We can see that 2p and 3q also consist of two values. The first value a is equal with 2p, and x, similar like this, a was equal to p, and x was equal to minus 3q. And then for 5 will also follow this similar number. 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, and 1. So by using this pattern, you can also make the series for 2p minus 3q for 5. So 5, a powered by 5. A was 2p. It means that 2p powered by 5 plus 5, 2p powered by x, and x only 1. It means that minus 3q. So it means that this one will be changed, the sign become minus also, until so on will be this. So the result will be similar like this. This is the basic. So for 2p minus 3q powered by 5, 2p inside parentheses powered by 5 plus 5, this one 5, a powered by 4, so this will 2p powered by 4 inside parentheses minus 3q, only 1, so this is also 4 by 1, 10, this is also 10, a powered by 3, 2p powered by 3, x squared minus 3q squared, and so on. So the result will be this one. This is the result of a binomial function, and the function was this one for the power series of 5. So by this simple rule, you can also make your own smart calculator using Excel. For example, using Excel, any kind of binomial function you can input inside the Excel, and you build your own programming series using the pattern of the binomial, using the Pascal triangle method. For example, you have A equal with 2b and A was equal to 5q, and find the 2b plus 5q for powered by 10. By using the rule, Pascal triangle rule, you can type in your Microsoft Excel, you make the pattern, and any kind number you input, you will get the result automatically in Excel. So you can make your own application. For example, smart calculator for binomial power series. Sometimes maybe after, I don't know, in this semester or maybe next semester, you will have practicum. Maybe the practicum was algorithm. So you have to make simple programming algorithm for some application. So you can use this one as your logic. So just like but if you use calculator, you can only with simple
calculation for multiplication, minus, multiply, divided, and so on. But calculator for determine the series of the binomial power series, there is no calculator like that. There is no smart calculator like that. So you can make for your own. For example, if you get some practicum to build a simple programming algorithm, you can use. This is one of the examples. Okay, then we go to another exercise. Problem 2.
Next semester, do we have mathematics too?
Maybe for lesson is what is enough? I think only mathematics first and second. The next semester maybe you will learn about optimization mathematics maybe. And also you will start a new practicum. In third semester, maybe in third semester you will have some practicum and maybe programming. Maybe I forget the name. Algoritma pemrograman.
For algorithm programming is in this semester.
Oh, in this semester.
In this
Oh, yeah. How many practicum in this semester?
Only one.
Only one.
Yes.
Only algorithm pemrograman.
Yes.
Yeah. You have to make your own program.
Yeah.
So you can use. This is one of the example. Calculator or smart calculator for binomial power series. There is no calculator like this. So you can input the this Pascal triangle method. So if you want to see for example like this, just type in your programming and the result will get automatically the result of the series. Because if you make by your own self this series, it will take long time. If you build by yourself, for example, if you want to get 10, so you have expand this one until 10 times. So it will take time. But if you make your smart calculator your own for your programming, so you can easily type any value of a and x, and result will be automatically come out. Yeah. Okay, we go to the exercise. Use Pascal triangle to expand x minus d power by 7. Power by 7. This is the result. This is the result. You have to make the process. How to get this result? A was equal to x and x was equal to y, or any you like for. You can also express using a and b. It's okay. A and x. It's okay. It's up to you. As long as only two value, a and b. So a and c or anything. Right.
The result is 1, 4, 7, 1, 7, 21. So where is the example of 7? 7, 7, 7. This one. 1, 7, 21, 35, 35, 21, 7, and 1. This is the basic pattern. For 8, you can continue the trend. So, if
P plus Q over by 21, so you will need more long time. Yeah, you need more long time. Okay, then you can try by yourself because the answer already provided. You have to make the process. If you get the result similar with the answer, it means that you do the right process. Okay, we go to the next, the binomial theorem. We can see that this basic pattern, this is the pattern 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, and so on. The basic pattern was get from this series inside the box. For a plus x powered by n, no matter what is the number of n. So the basic pattern was a powered by n plus n, a powered by n minus 1 x plus n multiplied by n minus 1 divided by 2 factorial. Actually this is divided by 1 factorial, but no need to write it because the result only 1. So this is 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, and so on. So this is the pattern of this one. So if you already know the pattern, so I think it's easy for you. Easy for you to get, no matter how many the power series using this basic pattern. So you no need to write all of them. Just use this basic pattern. For example, r minus 1. Please expand the r minus 1 in same expression with a plus x. We can use because if the a plus x powered by n and if a was equal to 1, if a was equal to 1, because this is the basic pattern of a plus x, if A equal with 1, so you can simply change A with 1. It means that 1 plus x power by n. So all of the A number you can change into 1. So you will get the same expression inside this box parenthesis if A is equal with 1. Okay, we go to problem 3. Use the binomial series to determine the expansion of 2 plus x power by 7. We can see that A is 2 and x is x itself, and power by 7. So you can use the basic method A plus x by n. A is 2 and n is 7. So you can get 2 power by 7 plus 7 multiplied with 2 power by 6 and multiplied with x and etc. Until 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. And this is the result. 2 plus x power by 7. So this is the result.
This is 2 factorial, 3 factorial. This one. 3 factorial, it means that 3 multiplied with 2 and 1. And this is the 4 factorial, for so on. 5, 6, 7. This is similar. This is 7. 7 factorial. Seven was get from n is 7, n minus 1, so 7 minus 1 is 6, and 2 factorial, 2 and 1. And if you find this many value, please do not calculate all of them. If you can simply minimize, for example, this is 6, this is 3. 3 and 2, 6. Similar with 6. So this one you can minimize or exclude. So you can simply calculate the rest of the others. Or this one, 4 and 4 you can take out. 6, 3 and 2 take out. So only 7 and 5 and 1. So it's easy for you. Also for the others. 5 and 5, 6, 3 and 2, 4 and 4. So only 7 and 3. So it will help you to speed up the result. Okay, we go to problem 4. Expand c minus 1 per c powered by 5 using the binomial series. Using the basic equation, using this one inside this box. You can also change this one. So you will get the result.
for the practicum algorithm pemrograman, did you was separate with another class or you only
Only
one
one,
team?
only one team, but
Only one team.
Yes.
Oh,
same as the previous practicum also.
which do you prefer? Do you blend it with another team, with another student, with the regular class, or you stay just inside this class? Which do you prefer?
Actually, for me, Pak, personally, I prefer blend.
Blend.
Yeah. This we can experience like having teamwork with the other. For
Yeah.
Personally, but
Maybe some students like to blend it with another regular student because maybe you will get a new friend, and also you will get many experience also doing a practical. But maybe another student maybe prefer to stay in the same team. It's up to you. But because this class was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6.
6, so for practical, maybe it's okay to keep stay in one group because usually practical one team was consist with maybe 5 to 6 members until maybe until 5 semester or 6 semester you will still have the practical, and also maybe 7 you will still, because there is some design project in maybe 7 or 6. 7 or 6 you will also have like almost similar like practicum, but if practicum you study inside the laboratory, but for the design project you go to outside, you find your problem into the community, maybe you go to the some market, you go to some company, or you just spread in this environment, and you will get your own problem. You have to find the problem inside your object. Find your problem for your object. Usually, some student for the design project, they go to the supermarket and maybe they stay for a while and see the process, and they identify maybe there is some problem. For example, long queue for the payment in the supermarket. Why this is happen? They have to observe why the long queue was happen in this supermarket. What is the problem? Maybe the problem, the payment center, maybe only 2 or 1 maybe. So the queue was very long and takes time. Or maybe there are already several payment center, but the queue still long and take much time. So what's the problem? So after they identify the process and they get the problem, they have to propose the solution to improve the problem. For example, adding more adding more payment center, and how the layout of the payment center, they have to design the layout of the payment center, for example, and maybe using the self payment center. Usually, if we go to supermarket in Indonesia, we have to go to the cashier, and the person at cashier takes your goods one by one, scan the barcode. Yeah. So if you can do also similar like the cashier, maybe you can scan your own goods. Yeah. You buy, you scan, and the number of payment was obtained from the monitor, and you can easily to pay. Maybe it takes little time for you. Also, like in gasoline station in Indonesia, usually if we go to gasoline station, there is some officer stay there and will help you to filling your car with the gasoline, which do you prefer. But in another country, in gasoline station, usually we have to self-prepare. We take the nozzle from the station. We also open our gasoline cap by ourselves, and we also filling. And we also set up the machine, how much we want to buy. So maybe the officer, only one or two, they will stay if you need some assistance or some help to using the gasoline station. So I think it is also, maybe it's easy. But in Indonesia, we still using some staff and officer to help you to fill in. But I think it's convenient because I ever go to abroad. Usually, if I drive my car and I want to buy some gasoline, I have to stop my car, and I go outside, and I have to set up the gasoline machine. I have to open my own self and fill it. But in Indonesia, we just stay behind the wheel, just maybe open the window, you say how much you want to buy, and you open the cap from inside the car, and the staff will help you to fill it. And some gasoline also offer without fully expanding, 3 plus x powered by 7 determine the 5 terms. Determine the 5 terms. We can see that the 5 term we can get from the power by n is 1. So the basic formula, we can get n was equal with 7, a was equal with 3, and x was equal with 8. And r minus 1 was equal with 5 minus 1 was equal to 4. So we can easily expand the basic formulation. So for the fifth term of 3 plus x powered by 7, we will get 35. 3 we get from this. This expression was get from the basic expression. Let's see this one. So without fully expanding means that you just take the first 7, 6, 5, 4. So it will be similar with this one is 7. This one. Will be equal with this is also 7. They only asking for the fifth term. Fifth term means that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the 5th term. So for problem 5, you don't have to write all of them in this one. In problem 5, only asking for the 5 terms. It means that this is the first, second, third, 4 and 5. So they only asking this one. So you can easily using this basic 7, 6, 5, 4 and 4, 3, 2, 1 and change the A with 2, A is 3, A is 3 and n minus with 4, n minus with 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, so n minus 4, it means there will be 7 minus 4 and 8 or by 4. This is only the 5th terms. And after that, calculate all of them. 35 multiplied by 3 over by 3 or multiplied by 27. You will get 445 x over by 4. Problem 6 also similar. Find the middle terms. The middle terms we have to see that this is over by 10. So it will take a long step to get the series of 10. So we can use the basic formulation. In the expansion of a plus x powered by 10, there are 10 plus 1. And example is 11 terms. So if every term was adding with 1. For example, if 2, so there will be 3 terms. If powered by 3, so 3 plus 1, so there will be 4 terms. For powered by 1, 1 plus 1, it means 2, so there is 2 terms. If powered by 2,
there will be 3 terms. 1, 2, 3. For 3, there will be 4 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4. So for the 10, there will be 11 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, until 11. So in problem 6, find the middle term of power by 10. It means that all of the term will be 11. So the middle will be 5 or 6. So you can express in maybe 5, it's okay. 10 plus 1 will be 11 terms. So the middle term is 6. So you only express the 6th term. A was equal with 2p and x was equal minus 1 over 2p. And this is the middle term. This is the 6th term. This is only 4th term. So you don't have to write all of the series. So it will keep your time. Okay. Then the result of the middle term for this problem was equal to this is minus 252 p power 5 divided with p power 5. This is the result.
Sorry, what if the terms has like 12 terms? So that's mean like 6, right? What's the middle term, maybe?
Yeah. You can decide. For example, how many?
12, maybe?
12.
Yes.
Yeah. So, what is the middle?
Maybe 6 or 7.
Yeah, maybe 6 or 7. If 11, they choose the 6. If for 11, they choose the 6. So for the 12, you choose another. So with 7. Because in the middle, there is no, from 12. Or 6.5. Yeah. Just take the biggest. Take 7.
Okay.
We go to problem 7. Evaluate 1.002 power 9 using the binomial theorem. Correct to 3 decimal place. And there is for A part 2 3 decimal place, and for B 7 significant figures. We can get from this is value. We have to change the value become this
binomial. It means that 1.002 we change become to 1 plus 0.002.
So this one we have to change into two value. So we change to 1 and 0.00. If you adding, this one will be similar with this one. So after that, you already get the two binomial power 9. So using the basic expression, you will get the series. X was equal to 002, A was equal to 1, N was equal to 9. So the all term 9 plus 1, so will be 10 terms. So that will be 10 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, extra until 10 terms. So this is the series of this one. After you separate, become a binomial. Then the result of the 1.002 power 9 was correct to 3 decimal was this one 1.018 correct to 3 decimal, and for the 7 correct to 7 significant figure means that all of them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 figure means that all of them 7 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So this is the result. It will help you. But if you, in a real case, maybe we don't have to calculate like this. Just use your calculator, especially when you analyze some case in a maybe real case. So please, for analyzing, do not use this one. It will take so long. Just simply take your calculator and type it. Okay, for problem 8, I think it's also similar. Evaluate 0.97 over 6. We can also transform 0.97 become 1 minus 0.0. So this is will be also binomial value. Binomial value. After that, you can continue follow the basic pattern. I think it's easy for you. The hardest thing is write all of the series. This is the maybe the hardest thing. You have to write it carefully because there are so many values inside all the series. Maybe the basic theorem is easy for you, I believe. But maybe the hardest is writing it carefully and calculate this one by one. Okay. This is also for problem 9. determine 3.039, we can convert into 3 plus 0.039. And then there are some questions, and there are already the answer. They are already provide the answer. You have to meet the process. How to get this answer? We go to problem 10. Problem 10 is slightly different, but how to solve is similar. Expand the 1 per 1 plus 2x power 3. If we see this example, we can see that this is the function, basic function. If we want to solve with the binomial series, please remember we have to convert into two value, because we know it's only two value. So we have to change this function 1 per 1 plus 2x power by 3 become binomial. For example, we can also write like this: 1 plus 2x power by minus 3. Also similar with this expression. Also similar with this one. So this is the trick. With the same way, with the positive series, we can also transform this binomial series using the normal series. So you will get the result. This is the result. Cool. And this is for A. For B, state the limit of x for which the expansion is valid. You have to get the limit of x, which of the expansion is valid. For B, the expansion is valid provided by 2x less than 1. For this is the basic function. If 2x is less than 1, for example, 0 is less than 1. If you change x with 0, so 1 plus 2 multiplied with 0 is 0. 1, so the result is 1
Power
power
minus 3.
minus 3. 1 over minus 3. So the result will be similar like this. And the result will be similar. 1. So if you input the x less than 1, so you will get the different result. So if x less than half or minus half, sorry, not x, 2x,
I mean that 2x, if you change the 2x, not x, less than 1, for example 0, 1 plus 0 is only 1. So x was equal to half. Similar with x was equal to half. Or the limit will be minus half and positive half. So two sides. So it means that inside the range, this range, from minus half until half, because this is not equal marks, it means that not similar with half. So it must be less than half and bigger than minus half. So this is the range. Because if half is still 2x, change into half, it means that 1. So 1 less than 1? No, yeah, that's not correct. 1 is similar with 1. If you input half into this x, 2 multiplied by half, it means that it will be 1. So this expression will be not correct. 2x equal to 1. If you put half, so this will 1 and 1, so this will not correct. So that's why not similar the notation with less than and bigger than without this equal marks, without this equal marks. Problem 11 also similar to the problem 10. Edit time is still on, already finished.
It's until 10.
The time.
Yes.
Okay, problem 11 is similar problem 12. Let's see what another chapter. This is some application practical problem involving the binomial theorem. Problem 16. Calculate the radius of a cylinder is reduced by 4% and its height is increased by 2%. Determine the approximate percentage change in A, its volume, B, its
its curved surface area, neglecting the product of small quantity. For the volume, because this is a cylinder, so the volume of cylinder was equal with P multiplied by radius square and multiplied by the height, because this is the cylinder. So this is will be radius. This will be the height. So the volume of the cylinder will be P R square H. From the problem 16, we can get that the radius of the cylinder was reduced by 4%. So this is to reduce 4%. And the height will increase 2%. This is plus, this is minus, because reduce and increase. So R and H is the original value of radius and height. The new value are 0.96 R, because the R minus by 4% from its R. So it means that this is 1 and this is 4%. So the 4%, or this is 100% minus 4%. So it will be 96% of air, or 0.96 R. And this is for the radius. And for the height, because increase, it means that height, 100% of height plus 2% of height, it means that 102% of height. So equal to 1.028. So using the binomial, you can use this one. This is the binomial, and this is the binomial. So you can transfer into 1 minus 4. 1 minus 0.04, 4%, 0.04 R. For this one means that 1 plus 0.028. So this is the binomial. This is also binomial. The new value you can calculate using the basic value. P is same, R square using this for R square, and H using this new value. Because the value was P, R square, and H. P
multiply by 1 minus 0.004 r square multiply by the new h, this one, 1 plus 0.002 h. So this is the new volume. So now the result will be 1 minus 0.008. This is the new volume because the increase and reduction of height and radius. Neglecting the product of small. Means that for the value very small, you don't have to calculate. So the result will be 0.94 PR square h or equal to 94% from the original value. One minus 0.008 plus 0.002. So this one is 1 minus 0.006 equal with this one. 1 minus 0.006 or equal with 1 minus this one equal with 0.94. It means that 94%. So the new volume will be different, become 94% compared with the original value. For the original value was 100%. It means that just calculate this one. PR square is. And for B, the curved surface area of cylinder, it means that curved area is mean that this circumstance, the curved surface area of cylinder was equal to 2p. This one was equal to 2p r h.